Chamoun, so I figured I squeezed in this short video to introduce myself and my plans for 2024. First, I hope everybody had a nice Christmas and hopefully you're having a happy new year, or if you already had it, if you're in a far east, you have celebrated. Uh, so my plan will be for 2024 to have a video every week, and I'm gonna be covering so many topics, but they're gonna be all under software tutorials and making digital assets. So the topics I'm gonna be covering, I have them in a list here. The first one is Openshot for video editing. It's a free software for Windows, for Mac, and for Linux. I've been using it for a while now, and I'm very familiar with it. So I'm gonna start making tutorials about it. Again, Openshot video editor. The second one is Gimp. It's for image manipulation and specific for the raster image like PNG, JPEG files. The third one is Inkscape. Inkscape is a software where you can create the graphics and using SVG files, and then you can convert them to PNG files. The fourth one is a Blender for animation, and I've been using it for a while. It's very complex and it takes a lot to learn, but I know some of its basics, so I'm going to be making more tutorials about it. Number five is Visual Studio Code for editing codes like HTML, CSS, and JavaScripts and other programming languages. But I'm not getting into the real programming. I'm just getting into web development like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and PHP and Python later on. Next is website builder, web hosting, how to register a domain name, how to use the control panel of a web hosting if you have your self-hosted website and web hosting. Uh, the last one, not the last, the one number seven, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Um, and then Linux operating system and its command line, and that's what I run. All of those software, I am running them on a Linux machine, and they're all open source software. They are free and they can run on different systems. And then I'm gonna go over some of the tutorials, video tutorials about OBS for screencasting and live streaming. This is a very complicated software too. It does screencasting where it records your screen, and then it does live streaming if you want to live stream your show on one of the social media platforms like Facebook, YouTube. I've been doing that with this software, and it's kind of difficult to use, but I got used to it. I've been using it for a while, so when I want to help you by making videos about it, and uh, and with time, I want to create. I already have a course now, so I want to create digital assets. So besides helping you for free on here, I might have paid the program in the future and make a digital asset soon. So if you are interested in any of those topics, let me go over them again. OpenShot video editor, GIMP for image manipulation, raster image, Inkscape for SVG graphics, Blender for animation, Visual Studio Code for code editing, website builder like cPanel, web hosting, domain names, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, then Linux operating system and its command line, and then OBS project for live streaming and screencasting. If you are interested in any of those, submit your comments below and subscribe to this channel as I'll be making more videos about those topics. And please make sure you add a comment. This way I know I'm not talking to myself, and let me know what you want me to do to make videos about. Thank you.